of polling begins in 20 Jharkhand seats. And fast-track court to try Unnao rape accused. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the news in details. The second phase of polling began this morning on 20 constituencies in Jharkhand, which votes in 5 phases to elect 81 members of the Legislative Assembly. The voting commenced at 7 a.m. amidst a tight security arrangement. According to media, while the voting exercise in 18 seats will end at 3 p.m., voters in Jamshedpur East and Jamshedpur West constituency can vote till 5 p.m., an election commission release said. Armed police have been deployed as part of the security measures. Out of a total of 6,066 polling stations, 949 have been declared critical and 762 sensitive in Naxal-affected areas. 101 polling stations have been relocated due to security reasons, and free transport facilities has been arranged for voters to reach this station to exercise their franchise. A total 1,016 polling stations are located in towns and cities, while 5,050 are in rural areas. A total of 48,25,038 voters, including 23,93,437 females and 93 gender voters, are eligible to vote to decide the fate of 260 candidates, including 29 women nominees and 73 independents. According to sources, more than 42,000 security personnel, including central forces, have been deployed on the 20 seats spread across 7 districts. A man was injured today when security personnel opened fire on a group of men who tried to snatch weapons from them in Gumla's Sisai constituency, where polling is underway in the second phase of assembly elections. According to media reports, personnel of the Rapid Action Force RAF had to open fire on the men after they attempted to grab hold of their weapons near booth number 36 in Sisai constituency. The injured had been admitted to hospital and his condition is said to be out of danger. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today said the death of the Unnao rape victim was extremely sad and announced that the case will be tried in a fast-track court, a media report said. In an official statement today, Adityanath said all the accused persons have been arrested. The case will be taken to a fast-track court and punishment will be given. The 23-year-old woman was set on fire by 5 men, including 2 who were accused of raping her. The victim, who died at 11:40 p.m. on Friday following a cardiac arrest, had suffered more than 90% burns, most of which were facial and inhalation injuries. She was brought to Delhi in an air ambulance Thursday evening after she was waylaid and set ablaze while on her way to Raebareli in connection with a rape case. As a part of the security measures taken up by the district police, Bishnupur, a search operation was carried out at Kongkhamakha Laikai within Ward number 8 of Bishnupur district this morning. Altogether, 340 individuals were verified, while 2 members belonging to KYKL, who are currently on bail, were picked up by cops for further necessary verification. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, without clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Admission Notice 2020. Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Khulem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Yengbiyo.
Sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam egin sui.
Mobile furniture wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chaw pijari.
Hari the see torsia.
Bhaiya che seli torsi.
Se booking taksin jar.
The House Committee of Manipur Assembly today inspected the condition of Manipur Central Jail, Imphal. The committee team included MLAs A.K. Mirabai, P. Brojan, Fazur Rahim, T. Robindro, Asab Uddin and Yumnam Radesham.
Angalwadi Center da makoigi midday meal ga mari lainana aikoigi no day to day gi aikoigi laiba makoigi hot cook meal amadi aiko ready to eat laiba matam gi piri basinjak sing se quality aikoigi magi piga do chang che yaudana pire haiduna khabar kagas ta iba amadi matam chana pidre na haibana singba khara lai madu chumi natraga lali haibase aikoigi hariba committee sina makhatana ekoi thigat kigani maduda natana tongan ba department singda laiba ekoi child labor gi ekoi children home singda matau karamaina chalairi haibana singba mayam singa se laiba ekoi timasi committee gi timasina makhatana thigalaga madu ekoi afaba londa Leramagana hena panaba suggestion piba amadi karigumba asoiba leramagaju sum thokna bagi tanja haibado launa bagi damakta makhatana aikoigi hariba assembly gi women and child committee na makhatana jangsin gi gani haibasimak tamjari.
A team of Morrie police led by officer in charge Commando Elhem Chan seized 13 grams of brown sugar at Morrie parking yesterday morning. The drug was found hidden in a silver van with registration number MN05A6113. The team also arrested the driver of the van. He was identified as Nepram Romesh Singh, aged 23 years, son of N. Rajendra Singh from Uyan Awang Laikai, Thoubal district. As a part of the drive carried out by Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur to save wildlife in the state, members of the committee seized several bird traps at Ikopad of Thoubal district yesterday. During the drive, they also recovered a live bird and 3 dead birds trapped in the nets. The live bird was treated and later released. President of WBCC Manipur, Rabita Khelambam, sought support from the people to protect wildlife, saying such drive cannot be successful without their support. Assam's RTI activist Dulal Bora on Saturday morning was arrested by the Hattigaon police for allegedly blackmailing a motor vehicle inspector MVI. As per media reports, Bora was arrested after MVI Naimuddin Ali filed an FIR against Bora with Hattigaon police station charging him of blackmailing. In the FIR, Ahmed mentioned that Bora demanded a sum of ₹5 lakh from him. Bora, however, denied the charges and said he will take this matter to the court, report said. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
ꯐꯧ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ꯆꯍꯤ 10ꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ
ꯎ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ꯆꯍꯤ 100ꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗꯤ
ꯏꯆꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯇꯝꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ꯏꯆꯥ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ
ꯂꯅꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ
ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯛ ꯋꯥꯇꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ
ꯖꯤꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯣꯕꯤꯛ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯊꯥꯡꯇꯥ
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ 12 ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯔꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ
ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯣꯞꯂꯦꯟ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ
ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
Welcome back after the break. The first edition of 3-day Northeast Food Show concluded with the Chief Minister Conclave in Shillong yesterday. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma chaired the conclave. It was attended by Tripura CM Biplab Dev, Arunachal CM Pema Khandu, Sikkim Tourism Minister B.S. Pant, and Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju along with a host of other dignitaries. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma said the first edition of the Northeast Food Show witnessed 250 exhibitors, B2B discussions and training programs. Sangma said that the government is looking forward to coming up with a policy to regulate winemaking so that both the farmers and entrepreneurs could benefit. The Meghalaya CM also announced the Northeast Food Show will be an annual calendar event and the second edition will be held from November 26 to 28, 2020. Sangma hoped that it would take the food sector and all stakeholders to new heights. Speaking on the occasion, Rijiju said that food is crucial to human civilization and the identity of the people is associated with the food of the place. Rijiju added that food from the Northeast is healthy and organic. Nearly 10 days after the Mahavikas Aghadi MVA government assumed office under the leadership of Uddhav Thackeray, the deadlock between the Congress Nationalist Congress Party NCP and the Shiv Sena seems to have ended over distributions of minister following a meeting between the Chief Minister and Sharad Pawar. 6 ministers were sworn in along with CM on November 28, but no portfolios have been allotted so far. According to media, Thackeray and Pawar also discussed on the cabinet expansion likely to take place on December 9 ahead of the winter session of the Assembly in Nagpur. The portfolios for the existing minister will be announced within the next 24 hours as per a report. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Citizenship Amendment Bill will not harm state, asserts Biren after meeting Amit Shah. Chief Minister writes to Ministry of Home Affairs to enforce ILPS. Shah's assurance not convincing enough, says Manpek. The People's Chronicle. Centre wants to change Northeast demography, says Dr. Lorho. Chief Minister LA Citizenship Amendment Bill fair, hopes Centre reinstates ILP. Northeast Students Organization calls Northeast Band on December 10th. Bomb blast near Vishal Mart, employees urge for security. Manpeg leaders not arrested, says Superintendent of Police. Act to protect state, not arrest public, says Manpeg to government. Imphal Free Press. Police foil anti-citizenship amendment bill public meet at Ima Kaitel. Act of autocracy and humiliation, says Manpeg. No arrest or detention of Manpeg leaders, Superintendent of Police clarifies. Biren re-echoes Amit Shah's assurance on Citizenship Amendment Bill. State will be fully protected from it. Resists territorial administrative threat to Manipur in Parliament, Kokomi urges MPs. Detention of Manpeg leaders fascistic, says left parties. The Morning Bell. Centre bent on passing Citizenship Amendment Bill, says Manpeg. Meeting at Ima Market foiled by police. The Northeast Students Organization calls total shutdown in Northeast on December 10th, submits memo to Prime Minister and Home Minister. Naga People Front, a party of peace committed to work for the interests of the people of Manipur, says Awangbo. New office bearer for 2020 to 2024 take oath. BJP Manipur visits T. Vaichong fire victims. Chief Minister allays fear about Citizenship Amendment Bill, says protection mechanism for state assured.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Second phase of polling begins in 20 Jharkhand seats. And fast-track court to try Unnao rape accused. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.